Hey guys, welcome back to the Pratham POS YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be creating a video on how to take a takeaway order on the brand new Pratham POS system. So let's say the customer asked for a margarita with extra cheese and extra garlic and he wanted a family size pizza. I would just find the category that goes under, and that goes under vegetarian pizza. So I would click on that, click on margarita, click on family size, click on extra cheese, extra garlic, and add to cart. And as you can see, the order has been added to the cart. And let's say this person was a existing customer, I can click on this icon here and add the customer here. And if he's brand new, I can add him here. And let's say he wanted to pick up later, then you can just print an order right now and send it to the kitchen. But in this case, let's say he wants to pay now, then you'll just click pay. Let's say he wants to pay by cash today, so I'll click cash. If he wants to add any notes, waiting time, delivery time, we can add it into here, and then we'll just click pay. After clicking pay, we can see that it's asking which receipt copy do we want to print. So let's say the customer wants one, and let's say we want to send one to the kitchen so it can be made quickly. We'll just click submit. Yeah, so this is how easy it is to take an order with our self-intuitive Pratham POS system. If you guys do have any more questions, please check out our website, prathampos.com. We have a lot of things on there, what type of POS systems we offer, what products, and much more. And if you would like to contact us, you can contact us through the conversation tab on our website, or you can give us a call right here. And just going to mention that if you guys have any questions which haven't been answered in the website or we can't get back to you, then please leave it in the comment section, and please tell us if you want a more in-depth video on how to take orders and how our system works. Thank you.